Good day, everyone. Today, I am going to talk about the effects of social media on students. As a student, social media is already part of my daily life. I use Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, and Messenger almost every day. Social media helps us communicate and gives us entertainment, but sometimes it also affects our studies and health. First, social media helps students communicate more easily. We can quickly message classmates about assignments, projects, and announcements. It also helps us find educational videos and tutorials online. Second, social media helps students relax and reduce stress. After a long day in school, many students watch videos or chat with friends online for entertainment. However, social media also has negative effects. One of the biggest problems is distraction. Sometimes students spend too much time scrolling online instead of studying. This can lead to procrastination and lower grades. Social media can also affect mental health. Some students compare themselves to other people online, which can lower their confidence. Cyberbullying is also common and emotionally affects students. Lastly, too much use of gadgets can affect physical health. Students who stay on their phones for a long time may experience eye strain, headaches, lack of sleep, and tiredness during class. Instead of being physically active, many students spend most of their time online. In overall, social media has both positive and negative effects on students. It can help communication and learning, but too much use can also affect studies, health, and mental well being. That is why students should learn how to use social media responsibly and balance their time properly. Thank you, everyone, and have a wonderful day.